so strong. I wish I were strong like him.
I can't do that. What can I even do with this, my tiny paws?
Wow, Benny is so fast. I wish I could run like him.
What am I even good at? I can't run fast or lift a wood like Buddy, my friend.
I wish I were somebody else. I don't like who I am. What am I good at? Milo, why do you want to be someone else? You are special just the way you are. God has placed something wonderful and unique inside you.
Take time to look inside yourself. Discover your gifts. You will be amazed at how special you truly are. S.O. Tomorrow, pay close attention. You might discover something important inside you. Please be happy and stop comparing yourself to Buddy and Benny, okay? Believe in yourself and be proud of who you are.
Thank you.
This entire cartoon movie was created with AI. No animation experience, no expensive software, and no drawing skills. What you're watching right now started as a simple story idea and was turned into a fully animated cartoon using just a few AI tools. In this video, I'm going to show you my complete process from start to finish. I'll show you how to create the story, design consistent characters, generate cinematic scenes, and bring everything to life with animation. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll show you the biggest mistake beginners make that causes their characters to change appearance from scene to scene, and how to avoid it completely. Let's get started. But before we do, if you're interested in AI animation, storytelling, and content creation, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I share tutorials like this every week. Now here's the exact process we're going to follow today. First, we'll create our story. Second, we'll create consistent characters. Third, we'll turn our story into scene-by-scene images. And finally, we'll animate everything and put it together into a complete cartoon movie. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear roadmap you can use to create your own AI cartoon videos from scratch. Step 1. Create the story. Every great cartoon starts with a great story, and here's something many beginners don't realize. People don't keep watching because your graphics are beautiful. They keep watching because they connect with the characters and want to see how the story ends. You could have the most beautiful animation in the world, but if the story is boring, people will click away. So let's start with a simple idea. Imagine a young mouse who always wishes he could be someone else. He keeps comparing himself to others, and the more he compares, the less confident and happy he becomes. Simple, emotional, relatable, and that's exactly the kind of story children can connect with. To develop the story, I use ChatGPT. I'll paste a prompt asking ChatGPT to act as an expert children's cartoon writer and generate a family-friendly animated story with lovable characters, simple language, humor, and a powerful lesson. Don't worry about the prompt. I'll leave the full prompt in my Google Doc and link it in the description below. Once I click Generate, ChatGPT creates a complete cartoon storyline in just a few seconds. Take a moment to read through the story and make any adjustments you want. Maybe change a character name, maybe change the lesson, maybe change the setting. Feel free to make it your own. And this is where the real fun begins, because now that we have our story, we need characters who look the same from the beginning of the movie to the end. Step 2. Create consistent characters. Now pay close attention here, because this step is probably the most important part of the entire process. If you skip this step, your characters may look completely different in every scene, and nothing destroys an animation faster than inconsistent characters. So here's how we fix that. Instead of generating random images, we're going to create what professionals call a character turnaround sheet. Think of it as a blueprint for your character. For Milo the mouse, I describe exactly how I want him to look. Fluffy blue fur, big pink ears, white shirt, brown shorts, big expressive eyes, a friendly smile, and a cute 3D animated movie style. Then I ask ChatGPT to create multiple views of the character: front view, side view, back view, and different emotions: happy, sad, surprised. We're going to repeat this process for all three of our major characters: Milo the mouse, Buddy the bear, and Benny the fox. Once you're done, click Generate. And here's a small but important tip. Notice that I use the word create instead of write. That's because I want ChatGPT to generate the actual character sheet image for me. Once the images are ready, save them to your device, then crop each character separately because we'll need them as references later. Trust me, spending a few extra minutes here will save you hours of frustration later on. Now that our characters are ready, it's time to turn our story into an actual movie. Step 3. Turn the story into scene-by-scene images. Now that we have our story and our character reference sheets ready, it's time to start building our movie scene by scene. And here's the good news. You don't have to sit down and manually write prompts for every single image. We're going to let ChatGPT do most of the heavy lifting for us. All I need to do is paste my third prompt into ChatGPT. This prompt tells ChatGPT to break the story into individual scenes and create a detailed image prompt for each one. Once I click Generate, ChatGPT starts creating prompts for every scene in the story. And these aren't just basic prompts. Each one includes the environment and background, character appearances, facial expressions, body language, camera angles, lighting, and the overall Pixar-style animated movie look. This is important because the more details we give the AI, the better and more consistent our images will be. In my case, ChatGPT generated 24 scenes. That means I now have 24 image prompts ready to go. And each of those scenes will eventually become part of our cartoon movie. If you're getting value from this tutorial so far, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know you want more tutorials like this. Now let's generate our images. We're going to head over to Flow AI. Open Flow AI and click on New Project. Once the project opens, make sure you're in the image generation section and not the video generation section. Next, set your aspect ratio to 16:9. This works perfectly for YouTube videos and gives your animation a cinematic look. Now, before you copy any prompt from ChatGPT, make sure you read it first. And here's why. You need to know which characters appear in that particular scene. For example, in scene 1, only Milo appears. Since Milo is the only character in this scene, I'll upload only Milo's reference image. Then I'll paste the scene prompt into Flow AI and click Generate. After a few seconds, Flow AI generate our image for us. Honestly, the results look amazing. Clean, consistent, and exactly what we need. Simply download the image you like best and save it to your device. Now let's move on to scene 2. Before copying the prompt, read it carefully. This scene contains both Milo the mouse and Buddy the bear, so this time I'll upload both reference images before pasting the prompt. This is one of the secrets to maintaining character consistency throughout your entire movie. Once everything is uploaded, click Generate, and just like that, Flow AI creates a scene featuring both characters while keeping their appearance consistent with our original designs. Now let's say you get to another scene, and it includes 3, 4, or even 5 characters. The process is exactly the same. Identify the characters involved, upload their reference images, paste the prompt, and generate. One thing I like about Flow AI is that it allows multiple reference images in a single scene, making it much easier to keep all your characters looking the same throughout the story. Now I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me generate all 24 scenes one by one. Just repeat the exact same process until every scene in your story has been generated. Yes, it takes a little time, but remember, you're literally creating your own animated movie. And once all your images are ready, we get to the most exciting part of the entire process, bringing those images to life. Step 4. Animate the images. This is where everything starts feeling like a real movie. Now, before we jump into animation, there's something very important you need to understand. Your video generator doesn't know your characters by their names. It doesn't know who Milo is, it doesn't know who Buddy is, and it definitely doesn't know who Benny is. If you're not careful, the wrong character could end up talking, moving, or reacting in a scene. And that's exactly why we're going back to ChatGPT. We're going to paste a special prompt that turns our image scenes into detailed image-to-video animation prompts. This prompt tells ChatGPT exactly how each scene should be animated. It includes character descriptions, character movements, dialogue, facial expressions, eye movements, camera movements, emotions, lighting, and every little detail needed to bring the scene to life. The most important part is that every character is described by appearance, not just by name. For example, instead of saying Milo talks, the prompt says Milo the mouse, a young fluffy blue mouse with big pink ears, a white shirt, brown shorts, big expressive eyes, and a friendly smile. This helps the AI understand exactly which character should be speaking and how they should behave. Once the prompt is ready, click Generate. ChatGPT will now create a detailed animation prompt for every scene in your story. And yes, these prompts are usually much longer than normal prompts, but trust me, the extra detail makes a huge difference in the final result. Now let's bring our first image to life. Head back over to Flow AI. This time, switch from image generation to video generation. Upload your first scene image. Copy the animation prompt for scene 1, paste it into the prompt box, then click Generate. Give it a moment and watch what happens. Your static image starts moving, characters come alive, expressions feel natural, and your cartoon starts looking like a real animated movie. It's honestly one of the most exciting moments in the entire process. Once you're happy with the result, download the video, then move on to scene 2. Upload the image, copy the corresponding animation prompt from ChatGPT, paste it, generate.
Wow.
Buddy is so strong. I wish I were strong like him.
Wow.
Buddy is so strong. I wish I were strong like him.
Download and repeat the process until every single scene has been animated. By the time you're done, you'll have all your video clips ready for the final stage, and that's where we put everything together and transform it into a complete cartoon movie. Step 5. Edit and complete your cartoon movie. Now we have all our animated scenes ready. This is the part where everything comes together. At this point, you should have all your video clips downloaded and saved on your device. For editing, I'll be using CapCut because it's simple, beginner-friendly, and works really well for projects like this. But feel free to use any video editor you're comfortable with. Go ahead and open CapCut. Then import all your video clips. In my case, I have 24 different scenes. Now all I need to do is arrange them in the correct order according to the story. Start with scene 1, then scene 2, then scene 3, and continue until you've added every scene. I'll fast forward this part because it's simply arranging the clips in sequence. Once everything is in place, play through your video from the beginning. This helps you spot any scenes that might be out of order before exporting. Now let's make the movie feel more professional. Between some scenes, you can add smooth transitions, nothing too crazy. Simple transitions usually work best for cartoon storytelling. A clean fade or dissolve is often enough. Remember, the goal is to help the story flow naturally, not distract viewers with too many effects. Next, let's add music. And trust me, music makes a huge difference. The right background music can completely change how people feel while watching your animation. A happy scene feels happier, a sad scene feels more emotional, and an exciting scene feels even more exciting. So take a little time to choose music that matches your story's mood. If you're uploading to YouTube, make sure you're using copyright-free music. You can find great options inside the YouTube audio library. Or, if you prefer, you can use AI-generated music created specifically for your videos. Once you're happy with everything, click Export, choose your preferred quality settings, and let CapCut render your movie. Congratulations, you just created your own AI cartoon movie from scratch. Think about that for a second. You started with nothing more than a story idea, and now you have a complete animated movie ready to upload. That's pretty amazing. Final thoughts. And that's it. You now know the exact process I used to create AI cartoon movies from start to finish. We created the story. We designed consistent characters. We generated scene-by-scene images. We animated those images. We edited everything into a complete movie. Now here's my challenge for you. Before the end of today, create your first cartoon scene. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just start. Then come back and tell me in the comments what your story is about. I genuinely love to read your ideas and see what you're creating. And who knows, your story might be the next big cartoon series on YouTube. If this tutorial helped you in any way, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who wants to learn AI animation. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.
Wow.
Buddy is so strong. I wish I were strong like him.
I can't do that. What can I even do with this, my tiny paws?
Wow, Benny is so fast. I wish I could run like him.
What am I even good at? I can't run fast or lift a wood like Buddy, my friend.
I wish I were somebody else. I don't like who I am. What am I good at? Milo, why do you want to be someone else? You are special just the way you are. God has placed something wonderful and unique inside you.
Take time to look inside yourself. Discover your gifts. You will be amazed at how special you truly are. S.O. Tomorrow, pay close attention. You might discover something important inside you. Please be happy and stop comparing yourself to Buddy and Benny, okay? Believe in yourself and be proud of who you are.
Thank you.
Oh dear. It's stuck. What am I gonna do now?
I can try. Let me help you.
You did it, Milo! Thank you for always being willing to help others. Your kindness, hard work, and caring hearts make you very special, my friend.
Thank you, buddy. Ouch! Don't worry, Benny. I'll help you get the map, okay? Everything will be fine. Oh no! Our blanket is gone! What are we gonna do now? We need to find it! Don't worry. I'll find your blanket and bring it back to you.
Found your blanket! Hooray! You saved it! Hooray! You saved it!
Everyone has different gifts. If you spend all your time wishing to be someone else, you may never see how special you already are.
I don't need to be someone else. All I need to do is be myself, and that's enough. Never compare yourself to others. Everyone has their own special talents and gifts.